Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Install Python and ensure Add to Path so the terminal finds Python. Then install Visual Studio Code and the Microsoft Python extension. This provides IntelliSense and interpreter selection. Once done, open your project folder in Vscode and use Python. Select Interpreter to point Vscode at the installed Python. This step links editor features to the runtime, so code completion, linting, and debugging know which interpreter to use. Do it now, and verify Python version in the terminal. Next, create an isolated environment, Python mvenv, venv so dependencies stay local. Activate it in the integrated terminal, then select that. Venv interpreter in Vscode, this ensures the editor runs, debugs, and installs packages into the right environment. Install your requirements with pip install r requirements, txt, and configure settings. JSON for Python, default interpreter path Python, linting, enabled, and the formatter you prefer. Doing so ties package resolution and code analysis to the chosen interpreter, preventing version conflicts and helping reproducible runs. Finish by running and debugging. Use run Python file in terminal or the integrated terminal to execute scripts, then set breakpoints and create a launch. JSON to enable step-through debugging. Make sure your formatter and linter are active so auto-format and warnings run before commits. For final checks, run tests with your chosen test runner. If something goes wrong, remember, verify the selected interpreter path, confirm. Venv is activated in the terminal, and ensure the Python extension is enabled. That single check fixes most link problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.